The Commonwealth Bank of Australia, CBA, has announced a police referral pilot program that will set new standards on how banking institutions report technology-enabled abuse. This solution will integrate artificial intelligence and other cutting-edge technologies to identify and block abuse in the transaction descriptions. CBA will be working with law enforcement authorities for the initiative, aimed at fostering a streamlined process. The initiative will enable CBA to report transaction abuse while having the consent of the victim and the survivor. The pilot program will start mid-September, offering a customized escalation path allowing affected customers to report abusers. During this pilot program, if the CBA identifies a customer receiving repeated abuse within the transaction details, it will contact the customer to inquire whether they would like to report the abuse to law enforcement authorities. If a customer agrees to report the abusive transaction details, the CBA will file a report with law enforcement. Victims of these abuses can also reach out to the CBA and report the instances of abuse. The launch of this new pilot with NSW Police will help provide better support for customers experiencing abuse. Technology-facilitated abuse continues to be a serious problem, and this collaboration with NSW Police enables us to act, not only in supporting victims but in the prevention of abuse, said the CBA Group customer advocate, Angela McMillan. McMillan also noted that the pilot was a first-of-its-kind partnership between the banking sector and law enforcement. The program has also been supported by the CEO of the Australian Banking Association, Anna Bligh, who said the pilot offered insight for the police and other banks on addressing the rise in domestic violence. The initiative is the latest launched by the institution under the Next Chapter Innovation Initiative. The program will allow the bank to partner with not-for-profit and social enterprise organizations in supporting projects that will help victims and survivors in long-term recovery. The CBA started abusive transaction monitoring in June 2020, blocking nearly 400,000 transactions annually. These transactions were blocked using an automatic filter that ensures offensive language is not used within transaction descriptions. This technology solution is supported by an AI model. The model will review transactions and report any abuse. It detects around 1,500 abuses annually within transaction messages. The cases of abuse are reviewed manually before the CBA takes the appropriate action. The CBA also plans to limit monthly transfers to cryptocurrency accounts and merchants while protecting customers from fraud and scams. A report by Daily Mail Australia noted at the bank had sent emails to customers informing them that the new guidelines would be launched at the beginning of September or within 30 days after the notice.